So I'm putting the cube ice, which is cube ice is just like right out of your refrigerator or what you get at the convenience store or supermarket. So I'm just, all you do is open the hopper and put your ice in. And then close the hopper. And we're ready to shave. Turn the machine on. Change your blade adjustment to what the desired texture. So we have it going, I want it a nice light shave. That's what most people like. And you can see the texture is excellent on the shave. I'm going to turn this one off. That you could actually change the adjustment to a more textured. So here we go. And we're going to pour some beautiful lemon lime flavor on. And you can see that the texture is excellent on the ice. Just by how the flavor evenly goes on there. And there you go. You are in business.